Happy December 1st, you guys. I'm back to vlogging. Today I have a Friendsgiving this evening. I spent the morning prepping my mac and cheese. I'm doing like that viral teenies mac and cheese, but just with like a little twist on it. And simply a twist because I'm not a good cook. I have that in here and I have so many other leftovers from Thanksgiving because we hosted. Today is Sunday. It's a pretty regular, normal, chill day. However, I have desperately needed to go through my clothes. I'm so grateful for it, but I am getting so many clothes I cannot keep up with and I'm like overwhelmed by the space that I do not have. So this is one of my closets. All that on the ground is just stuff I need to wash, but this again is one. And I have another closet in another room. So I'm just going to be honest with myself and genuinely get rid of as much stuff as I can. When I say get rid of, I literally mean just donate. So a lot of stuff I've gotten at like Goodwill. So again, it's so easy for me to buy a few $3 sweaters and then I don't end up wearing them. Like, is this not just the cutest thing? I have to keep this. God damn it. Get rid of. Okay, so far, this is what I'm getting rid of. Look at all those clothes. All of these extra hangers obviously had clothes on them. So I'm getting rid of quite a lot just from this closet. And I still have to go through the pants. Okay. Wow, this is like 2 or 3 feet tall and I'm getting rid of so much stuff. So this is just one closet done. I went through all of my pants, jeans, everything. I have so much extra space. This was just lined with jeans up here, literally all gone. Okay, I just finished up on my makeup. Again, I have Friendsgiving tonight. Vanessa also just came over right after work and took half of that pile of clothes that I'm gonna give away, which is perfect because now I only have like 3 garbage bags full, but it is like 4:15 right now. I have about 20 minutes until I need to leave, and then yeah, I'm just gonna use this straightening brush to straighten my hair. It is officially Monday and I have just been like filming some stuff and I just got a few packages in the mail, so I figured I would open them with you guys. I wanted to try this Mary Ruth's multivitamin and it helps with hair growth. One of my like New Year's resolutions or goals was to just simply take a multivitamin every day. I feel like that's like something I should be doing. So I think I know what this is. I have seen this everywhere. It's for, oh cool, they sent me, okay, hair volume. And you guys know me, I love big hair. So you essentially open it like that, put it in, close it, and then you like spray hairspray on it, let it sit for like a few minutes, and then you're good. This was kind of scary. Woo. Why did that like already work? Next up, I'm assuming this is clothes. Oh, hold on. It's something like cute and pink. Oh, okay. It's a 2-piece like skirt set. Very cute. I love a good baby pink. Add that to my pile over here. This is like my entire pile of what I just need to film today. This one feels so light like that there literally might not be anything in it. And I don't know exactly what it is. It says half magic and customer support. Okay, moment of truth. What is this? Oh my god, a tiny singular eyeshadow. I don't know why I was so nervous. Oh, that is not what I was expecting. The whole package is compostable. That is so pretty. Blushing Lizard is the name. And I obviously already opened these, but I also got glasses sent to me today from Desi Eyewear. This is from the Monet collab. How cool are these? Like, I feel like very edgy Y2K Tron. And then these ones are their like viral cuffed glasses. Isn't that cute? Little cuffs on either side. I think that is so fun and unique. I have not seen any sunglasses like this before. These are very high quality. They're a little expensive. Well, they're rather expensive, but they're pretty high quality. Happy Tuesday. Today has started out a little slow. I've just been doing my normal chores around the house. I vacuumed, laundry, dishes, taken out the trash, did the cat litter, done all that, edited some videos, and I'm just going to continue to film. I do this every single day. That's why genuinely I feel like I haven't been vlogging because I have the same routine every single day. Nothing too crazy. Anyway, I might as well just get my day going and keep moving. Currently making some lunch. I'm just gonna have 3 eggs and a piece of bread with like jalapeno cream cheese on it. It is so windy outside right now. I can hear it all throughout my house and there's like gusts of wind hit my windows. It's like kind of crazy. I just got a few more things sent to me and I figured I'd open them with you guys and then do a little try on. I'm so excited for these. These are just jeans from the Elevated Closet. They go up to a 38-inch inseam and I've needed a really good pair of black jeans. Love these. Then I have a 2-piece set here from an Amazon and TikTok brand. They also sent me like this gorgeous gorgeous lace viral maxi dress, like kind of like midi maxi. It's just like this really pretty navy color. And then this is the two-piece. This looks so cozy. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, this looks really nice. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what this is. Oh my gosh, I love Makeup Forever. This is their HD Skin Blush and Glow palette. So there's some really nice highlighters in here. These are gonna be stunning. Then we have something from Peter Thomas Roth. I wanted to give this to my mom. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this, a firming eye primer. I've seen so many crazy videos where with looser skin under their eyes, like they use it and it tightens it up right away. Same with this one. And then I was really intrigued by this too. Thought my mom would like it. I hope she doesn't like take it the wrong way. And lastly, this is from, I want to say it's from Truly Beauty. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is like, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I usually don't like vanilla, but this smells so good. I have the body oil in this and I just had to get the perfume. I have to smell it like right now. No way. I think I do like vanilla now because these are just insane. This smells so good. Okay, here is what the jeans look like on. Guys, I have finally found a pair of good black jeans that are long enough and very flattering. These are so nice. I would say they're mid to high rise. You can't tell, I'm a little congested. Like it's that time of the year when I'm getting like a cold already. But anyway, and then of course you can see that they are long enough. Again, this is a 36-inch inseam. So these are plenty long for me. They look great with shoes as well. And this cut, it's not like a flare, it's like the perfect boot cut, which I love. I don't think a flare jean is very flattering on me, so I never go for it. But yeah, these are super nice. As you can see, again, these are from the Elevated Closet. Don't mind my socks, but now I have the navy dress on. Honestly, this is stunning. It really accentuates my figure. Like this, I do not look this good. It's definitely the dress, but it has like this really cute little lace detail right here, and I love the square neck, and I also like that the lace goes all the way up the shoulders. Very girly, very feminine. I like that. I am 6 foot, so it's not like full length on me, but I don't mind this length. I think it's still a pretty flattering length and would look fine with some sandals, but this is so cute. I also got navy because this is definitely a summer dress, but if I wanted to wear it in the winter, I feel like navy would be fine. Would I actually wear it in the winter? No, of course not. No. I don't ever wear dresses like this to begin with. Oh my gosh, very flattering. And then I have the tracksuit, lounge set, whatever you want to call it, from the same brand as the dress. I like it. I like the color brown. I wish this was more full length. I'm kind of over cropped anything. I would prefer full to mid length, but I think it's cute. I could see myself lounging around in this, obviously. And then for the joggers, I do like them. They're rather tight on the ankles actually, but nothing too crazy. And of course, this is just me. I wish they were like an inch or two longer. I feel like that would be cute. Other than that, I like the color. It fits well. I went with my normal size large. I would definitely say it's true to size.